At this point, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is leaking faster than Samsung can announce it. Here we have yet another unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but this time in the stunning Cobalt Violet color, shared by Tipster Phone Nerd. Interestingly, in his initial tweet, he mentioned it was the black variant. However, shortly after, he clarified that the device is actually the violet color, not black. The Cobalt Violet color of the Galaxy S26 Ultra truly stands out and gives the phone a bold, premium personality. It's not just a simple purple shade, it has a deep, rich tone that shifts beautifully under different lighting conditions. The finish looks elegant yet powerful, making the device feel even more flagship level in hand. Compared to the usual black or white options, Cobalt Violet feels fresh, unique, and instantly eye-catching. With so many leaks, hands-ons, and full unboxing videos already online, it honestly feels like there may be nothing left to surprise us at the official launch event. Meanwhile, another well-known tipster, Karul Sahil, who recently uploaded the full review video of the real Galaxy S26 Ultra, has now shared a new post showing what appears to be a massive stock of S26 Ultra units before launch. In his post, he joked, "Dubai sellers are next level. I heard Latin stock already arrived today in the market and priced too low." If this is true, it suggests that retail inventory may already be circulating in certain markets ahead of the official announcement, which is absolutely wild. The full Galaxy S26 Ultra review is already live before Samsung even announces it. And yes, this is the Galaxy S26 Ultra ahead of its official launch. So let's break everything down. This is a fully functional device shown in detail, powered on, navigated through menus, and properly reviewed before Samsung has officially unveiled it. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra clearly maintains Samsung's premium Ultra identity. The frame appears more refined, the edges look slightly smoother, and the overall construction delivers that classic flagship feel. The camera module still features the bold, individually separated lens design, but the finish looks cleaner and more polished compared to the previous generation. One of the standout highlights from the video is the newly introduced privacy display feature. When viewed from certain side angles, the screen becomes darker and harder to read, suggesting Samsung may be integrating built-in privacy filtering technology. If this performs as demonstrated, it could be a significant upgrade for users who prioritize screen privacy in public environments. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.